but I will not share. Okay. See, I have this views we have seen, right? Views, how to create views for specific projects. I want to create a dependency view. For example, B is dependent on A. When A triggers, automatically B triggers. The dependency jobs we have seen, right? Upstream, downstream, right? Next, what I want to do is when I click on A, if you observe here, I'll open A here, I'll open B here. So B is triggered 2 times, A is triggered 1 time. Now I'm going to click on build now of A. So A gets completed, you see here. Now if I go here, right, if I refresh this, is it really dependent? Let me check that configuration. Or we removed last time. No, I think we removed this option. Okay. Where is that option here? Here, build after projects are built. We haven't kept this, I think. Okay. Now let me save this changes. So now let me build A. So I'm going to A. I think we removed that option last time. So now I'm going to build this 3. It will be 3 when it builds. 3. Now B is depending on A. So when A triggers, B automatically gets triggers, right? Now let me refresh this. See, without refreshing only, it has triggered. So when B is depending on A, these are dependency jobs. We already seen A. When A triggers, B also automatically gets triggered, right? Now I want to see whether A is triggered or not. I have to come and check here. Whether B is triggered or not, I have to come and check here. I want to see 2 views. So instead of that, what we can do is there is something called as pipeline views. One plugin I can add. For this dependency jobs, I can add one plugin. See, write down all these plugins. Okay. See, something called as pipeline that is different. You see here, while creating a job, there is one option called as pipeline job. There is one option called as pipeline job. This is totally different. This is a different concept. Pipeline jobs is different. Now I'm not going to discuss about pipeline jobs. I'm going to discuss about pipeline views. Keep it in mind. I'm discussing about pipeline views. So I am going to add one plugin called as pipeline build a pipeline, the plugin. Okay, I think this is the plugin. I forgot the plugin name. The pipeline. Okay, I think this is build pipeline or something. Let me check with the view. I think this is the plugin. Let me add this and see. Build pipeline is a plugin. It will be there in the document. Okay, I added that plugin. So now, when I go to my dashboard and click on this view, here you got one more option called as view, build pipeline view. Build a pipeline view. Earlier only these two were there. Now, as we added that pipeline plugin, build a pipeline plugin, we got this. So for example, I'm writing it as AB. Name for the view name, I'm giving it as AB, build a pipeline view. This job will be for dependency jobs. This option, this plugin will be supported for pipeline jobs. How? Let me show you. So here I'm going to select here description, filter, everything you can give. Select initial job. What is that? Upstream, the initial job, A, right? So now these are the options. You can read it under restrictive and these and all options you can read it out. But let me show you the plugin concept here. What is that is when you are in this view, for example, I'll go here. I'll go here and trigger a job, right? So when I'm here like this, see, when I'm here like this, if I go to this, right, pipeline view job, right, where is that? Just a second. Just 1 second, 1 second. Did I save that? Oh, you see, here it is. Okay, I didn't see this. As all came, I thought it is starting. Okay, here it is. Okay, A job, AB is there, right? If I go to this view, You observe here, you can go from here, right? Dashboard, AB, right? This is a view I created. What is the, in this job, what I gave initial project as A I gave. So automatically it picked what is its dependency job. What is its dependency job? Now I'll click on this A, build now, build now. Now you observe here, green color is there, right? Automatically it will turn into blue color. Did I click on that? I think no. Let me click on this. Build now. Now you observe 3, right? You observe here, it will come into blue. Oh, it got triggered actually. So it is, by the time it is refreshing, it is getting that. See now, A has completed. A has completed. Green color it came. Blue means in progress. It is in progress. Now if you refresh, it also get completed. So it will show what is the jobs. A job is depending, B job is depending on A. A is upstream, B is downstream. So it is going to show like this only. Here itself, you no need to go for 2 views. You can go here itself, you can see both the views. And see, arrow mark is also showing. If A is triggered, automatically it will trigger the B. Right now, if you want to build this, you can run from here only. If you want to see the history, you can see it here. You want to see the logs, you can see it. If you want to do modifications here, you can see it here. If you want to add, delete this, or you want to add one extra step, you can do from here itself. These are called as pipeline jobs. When we use this, sorry, not pipeline job, pipeline views. Sorry, pipeline jobs are totally different. We'll see that later. Pipeline view means if there are any dependency jobs, you want to see them or manage them in the same view, you can use this pipeline views. For this, build pipeline is a plugin we are going to add. So write down this plugin also somewhere, so you'll remember. Understood, guys?
Yes, sir. Sir, it is possible only to give one job, or after A, B, C, D, 3 should execute.
You can have any number, any chain. You cannot have circle. You cannot have circle, but anything you can have. Okay. You can go to C job and you can mention it as C depends on B. So when A triggers, B automatically triggers. As C is depending on B, when B triggers, automatically C will get triggered.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So that's it about Jenkins. There are few options like parameter jobs, right? Email notifications, pipeline jobs. There are so many things we'll discuss one by one, right? Okay. For now, I'm pausing this Jenkins here and I'll go to Nexus. Okay.
Sir, regarding LDAP,